Hello everyone, I have started this linear algebra series. In this series, I will explain all the important concepts in clear and simple way. Let's start with matrix. Matrix is rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns enclosed in brackets. Let's take examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. In the matrix, horizontal are rows and vertical are columns. Matrix are generally denoted by capital letter. Now, order of the matrix. Order of the matrix with m rows and n columns is m cross n. Now the matrix A has 2 rows and 2 columns, therefore the order of the matrix A is 2 cross 2. Similarly, for the matrix B has 3 rows and 2 columns, therefore the order of the B matrix is 3 cross 2. C has 2 rows and 3 columns, therefore the order of the C is 2 cross 3, and the order of the D has 1 cross 3 because 1 row and 3 columns. Okay. Element of the matrix. Each member of the matrix is called element of the matrix and it is denoted by aij, which is element from ith row and jth column of the matrix. Let A is equal to matrix 2 3 4 7. Then the 2 3 4 7 are element of the matrix, where A11 is equal to the element from first row and first column, which is 2. A12 is the element from first row and second column, which is 3. A21 is the element from second row and first column, which is 4. A22 is the element from second row and second column, which is 7. Here is general notation of the matrix A with m rows and m columns. All the elements are denoted by aij, that means I is the ith row and j is the jth column, where a11 is the element from first row and first column, a22 is the element from second row and second column. Similarly, a13 is the element from first row and third column, and AMN is the element from mth row and nth column. Vectors. A vector is a matrix with only one row or column. Let's example A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, C is equal to 2, 3, D is equal to 2, 4, 6. The vectors with only one row and C and D are the vectors with only one column. In the next video, we will learn about types of matrices. Follow for more.